Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to your Batman virtual martial arts lesson. In today's lesson, we're gonna do a Batman warm-up, learn some Batman fighting moves, and do some exercises. Now, make sure you guys stick to the very end of this video because I'm gonna be giving away a very special giveaway. So make sure you like this video and subscribe so you guys get a chance to win. Okay, let's get started. Ready yet? Can you? Awesome. All right, so we're gonna start with some warm-ups. We're gonna do jumping jacks just like usual. Make sure you guys repeat nice and loud after me in Korean. Ready? Everyone say Hana. Dur, set, net, toss it. Good job, you guys. Awesome. Now this time we're gonna peek our elbows up like this. We're going to go rotate just like this. There you go. I'm gonna say Hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Awesome job. All right. Now this time we're gonna go elbow to knee just like this on my count. Everyone say Hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Awesome, good job. Last warm up. All right, this time we're gonna do something called an IT band stretch. So we're gonna bend our knee down like this. We're gonna hop on 2 seconds. Everyone say Hana, dur, and switch, set, net, good. Toss it, yas it, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, yeah, good. That was 10 in Korean. Good job, you guys. High five. Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and go to the roof of Gotham City. Oh, awesome, you guys. All right, you guys ready to learn some Batman fighting moves? Can you guys say yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
I don't believe you. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. All right, ready? We're going to start with Chodiet. Chodiet. Good. Can you? Awesome. All right, when I say fighting stance, we're going to take 1 foot back, put both hands up like this. Fighting stance. Awesome. Good. All right, now Batman, he knows a lot of different martial arts. He knows karate, boxing, Muay Thai, MMA, wrestling, jiu-jitsu. He knows everything, okay? So today we're gonna practice mixing a bunch of different moves together, okay? So hands up just like this. Awesome, all right, so we're gonna do a Batman combination number 1, okay? This is called the Joker Stopper, okay? So here's what we're going to do. We're gonna throw a jab, cross, hook, and then we're gonna shoot for a double leg takedown. Now here's how you do a double leg takedown. You're gonna take this knee, you're gonna put it on the ground like this. This foot's gonna come up. It's like we're wrapping someone's legs. We're gonna pull them in tight and then come up forward. Okay, so let's try that again. Ready? So Joker Stopper, jab, cross, hook. Good, get down, change levels. Bend this knee down here, take this foot step, grab, pick him up. Good, awesome, very good. Now make sure you're not doing this to anybody right now. We're just practicing in the air, understand? All right, ready? Hands up like this. Ready, I'm gonna go jab, cross, hook, and take down. Nice, good job, you guys. Awesome, again, ready? Try to be as fast as me as you can. Ready? I'm gonna go jab, cross, hook, take down. Nice, very good job, you guys. Awesome, high five. All right, you guys, now the next combination we're gonna do is called the Mr. Freeze counter. You guys say Mr. Freeze counter? Awesome, all right, so here's the combination. We're gonna have our hands up like this. Good, we're gonna start with a jab. So everyone say it with me. I'm gonna say jab, short elbow. Okay, and when we do a short elbow, we're gonna turn our elbow sideways like this. After we do a short elbow, we're gonna go, I'm gonna say cross, uppercut. Awesome, good job, you guys. All right, hands up like this, start bouncing on your feet. Good, let's go together. Everyone say jab, short elbow, cross, uppercut. Awesome, good job, you guys. Again, ready, go jab, short elbow, cross, uppercut. Awesome, good job, you guys. Good, again, 2 more times. Jab, short elbow, cross, uppercut. Awesome, good job. 1 more time. Let's see if we can be faster. Try to be faster than me. Ready? And go jab, short elbow, cross, uppercut. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Awesome, awesome. All right, now this time we got 1 more combination. This one's a little tough. This one's a little crazy, okay? It's gonna be called the Bane Destroyer. We're gonna destroy Bane, okay? If you guys know who Bane is a really giant, super strong villain that has, at one point in time, beat Batman. Okay, so we gotta make sure we're really, really strong when we do this move. So, here's the combination. Okay, hands up like this. All right, we're gonna throw 3 kicks. We're gonna go, I'm gonna say front kick, round kick, side kick. Okay, now after you do that side kick, okay, we're going to go ahead and switch our feet, and we're gonna go jab, cross, Superman punch. Okay, I told you, it's a crazy combination. Okay, it's called the Bane Destroyer. So hands up like this. So let's do it together. I'm gonna say front kick, round kick, side kick, switch. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Superman punch. Awesome. Very good job, you guys. Again, ready? And let's go together. Ready to go. Front kick, round kick, side kick. Switch your feet. 4 punches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Superman punch. Awesome. Good, good. He learned that from his buddy Superman. Okay, ready to try that again. Ready? Everyone go. Front kick, round kick, side kick. Good. Switch. 4 punches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Superman punch. Awesome. Very good job, you guys. High fives. Awesome. Very good work. Okay, now here's what we're going to do next. We're going to do some Batman exercises. So let's go ahead and go down to the Batcave. All right, you guys ready? Let's go. Awesome. All right, so we are in the Batcave. Now, Batman, you guys might know this. He doesn't have any superpowers. However, he is very strong, he's very smart, and he works out very hard. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do 3 different exercises to get strong like Batman. We're going to do push-ups. We're going to do box jumps. Now I'll show you guys what these look like. Box jumps, and then after that, we're going to do sit-ups. Okay, so here's what it's going to be first. We're going to start with push-ups. When you guys do push-ups, okay, make sure your feet are behind like this, and you go all the way down, all the way up, okay? Make sure your knees aren't touching the ground. Knees off the ground like this, all the way down, all the way up. Just like that, okay? After that, we're gonna do box jumps. So here's what that looks like. You're gonna squat all the way down here, okay? All the way down as low as you can. Jump up, come back down. Jump up, come back down. Does that make sense? Awesome. And then the last one, sit-ups. Really simple. What you're gonna do is you're gonna have your knees bent like this, hands on your head, that side of your head like this. You're gonna come up and down, up and down. Just like that. Does that make sense, you guys? Awesome, okay. So we're gonna do each exercise, 30 seconds each. So 30 seconds of push-ups, 30 seconds of box jumps, and also 30 seconds of sit-ups. After you do them for 30 seconds each, you get 15-second rest, and then we do it 2 more times. So doing 3 sets of 30 seconds, 15 seconds of rest in between. Does that make sense? You guys got it? Awesome. All right, go again started. Awesome job, you guys did a fantastic job. High five, wow. That was a tough workout. You guys did a really good job though, okay? Now, before we end today's lesson, we got 2 things left. We gotta do a story. I'm gonna tell you guys a really awesome story, and then we're gonna do our giveaway at the very end of the video. So make sure you stick with the end. Let's go ahead and see what story Dojo has for us. All right, Dojo. All right, guys, let's take a look.
Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Bryson. Bryson was 8 years old and in elementary school. Bryson loves dinosaurs, so much that he would bring his favorite T-Rex to school. However, one day when he was getting ready to go home, Bryson couldn't find his T-Rex. He asked his teachers, then he asked his friends, and finally he asked his parents. Bryson was very upset he couldn't find his new toy. The next day, when Bryson went to class, he saw another kid named Alex playing with his toy. Bryson got very angry and wanted to take the toy back from Alex. Alex refused and said that it was his toy. Bryson got even more angry and told the teacher that Alex stole his toy. The teacher agreed and told Alex to give it back to Bryson. Alex, in tears, gave it to the teacher, and Bryson was very happy again. However, when Bryson was about to go home after school was over, he noticed a small tail sticking out of the shelf. He found his T-Rex. Bryson just realized he had both his own T-Rex and Alex's T-Rex. Bryson felt bad because he knew he made a mistake. They both had the same exact toy. After talking to his parents, Bryson decided that the right thing to do was to give it back to Alex. Alex was very happy to get his toy back and accepted Bryson's apology. Sometimes in life, we are either going to be Bryson or Alex. We might accuse someone of something bad, even if we don't have any proof. Just like someone might accuse us, even if we know we didn't do anything wrong. Before we accuse people of something they did, we should always get proof before making judgment. We should also always let someone defend themselves, and if you defend yourself, give proof too.
Wow, you guys, that was a really great story. I bet you guys learned a lot of new things about it. Now, let's go ahead and start with the giveaway. The giveaway winner is... Awesome. All right, so parents, if this is your child, make sure you send me an email on my About page section on my channel. So if you are the subscriber, you're getting a free Dojo Go homeschool t-shirt. So congratulations. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Face your chariot. Kanye. Awesome. See you guys later. Bye-bye.